Just announced, in 2025, taxpayers can deduct up to $10,000 in interest paid on auto loans for select new vehicles every year for the next 3 or 4 years. That's right, you can deduct up to $10,000 per year on interest paid on auto loans. Not all vehicles will qualify and not all clients will qualify. We do know that many clients of the Low Payment Kings will qualify for this program, and many of our new vehicles qualify for this program. Please join the Low Payment Kings soon for more details on how you can save, and for our clients that already purchased new vehicles in 2025, feel free to give us a call to see if you qualify or contact your tax accountant for more details or visit irs.gov. The Low Payment Kings want to do everything we can to help you save every penny, nickel, dime, and Deutschmark on every new and used car, truck, van, and SUV transaction we do. Check out lowpaymentkings.com where you can view hundreds of vehicles, videos, and Low Payment King specials.